What's DR and why does it matter? Domain rating DR in Ahrefs is a metric that evaluates the strength of a website's backlink profile on a scale from 0 to 100. It is comparable to other authority metrics, such as Authority Score AR in SEMrush, Domain Authority DA in Moz, and Trust Flow TF in Majestic. Each of these metrics measures a website's authority based on its backlinks, but DR is particularly valued by SEOs for its accuracy and frequent updates every 12 hours. While many believe these scores directly impact Google rankings, it's important to note that Google does not use these third-party metrics for ranking websites. They simply reflect how well a website performs based on factors like backlinks, which historically correlate with SEO success. You can try out our DR checker. Just enter your website, and we'll send you a comprehensive SEO report with details of your Ahrefs domain rating and strategies for boosting it. Click the link in the description below to get started. Follow stanventures for more videos on the latest SEO and digital marketing trends.